Hey guys, Todd here. We're back at you, SEMA 2023. I'm here with Andy. Andy is going to tell us why the Retrax EQ is the smartest retractable cover on the market. What you got, Andy?
Thanks, Todd. So our cover here, the Retrax EQ, electronically interfaces with the truck's electronics package, allowing us to operate the cover with the truck's OEM key fob, our phone app, or an optional 5-digit touchpad.
That's nice.
I can operate the cover by hitting the unlock button 3 times, which will open it. And the cover will start to retract. I can stop the cover anywhere by hitting the lock button 3 times. And to close the cover, I hit the lock button 3 times.
All right, sounds great. That's pretty intuitive.
That's right.
I like that. Now, there are some other things that are really cool about this cover too, right?
That's right.
What do we got?
Right, so every Retrax EQ cover comes standard with T-slot rails,
That's
which are
nice.
rack compatible, right? With features our Elevate rack system here. Accommodates Yakima, Thule, Rhino rack, you name it, which gives you a lot of flexibility above the bed of the truck as well.
Right, that is awesome. Now, I really like the fact that you can have the optional keypad, so that if you want to go surfing, right? You know, you lock everything in the cab of the truck. You want to get back in, you hit the buttons on the keypad and you open up the truck.
That's right. It will not only lock or unlock your vehicle, it'll operate the cover, and you can also, if you have a powered tailgate, drop the tailgate from that 5-digit touchpad.
Wow, wow. Now, can you also do that with your cell phone or your tablet?
Yep, yes, you can. So off the phone app, which is iPhone or Android compatible, you can operate the cover, obviously. You can lock or unlock your vehicle, or you can release the tailgate as well.
That is amazing. I love it. I'm a big fan. Guys, if you are interested in Retrax EQ, you can go to RealTruck.com, click Buy Now, or you can click the dealer locator button, and that will take you to your dealer nearest you, and they'll get you helped out.